Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Asslamoalaikum. Dear friends, we are going to talk about who is Prophet Idris. Prophet Idris, his biblical name in the Bible named Enoch, was the second prophet in Islam mentioned in the Qur'an after Adam's. According to Wahab, Idris was a well-built man with a strong, broad chest and spoke with a low voice. It is also said he was tall and handsome and always spoke with a calm demeanor. Prophet Idris was very intelligent, curious, and would founder the vastness of the universe that his creator made. From the sky, the earth, the moon, the stars, and the cloud. The Quran mentioned two verses which after the Prophet Idris and are the testament to his character. So friends, Prophet Idris was born during the lifetime of Prophet Adam. He was from amongst the followers of Seth and ruled the progeny of Adam following the death of Seth. He was truthful, patient, and an extraordinary individual. It is reported in Hadith by Abu.Who that Idris was the first man to introduce the art of reading and writing to mankind. Idris was a sincere servant of Allah, hence God chose him as a prophet and messenger and elected him as the ruler over the children of Adam. What began after the death of Seth is the people of Cain lost guidance and sin and corruption began increasing rapidly and spreading. Idris could not bear to watch his own falling. Prey to influence of Shaitan. So God instructed Prophet Idris to call for jihad, holy war, against the corrupt followers of Qabil. And as commanded by God, Idris gathered an army and men and battled in the name of God against the transgressors and emerged victorious. Prophet Idris was overjoyed with the news and thanked God immensely for all his blessing. But Idris was quite old and was not quite ready to depart earth as enjoyed separating good. So he decided to speak to the angel of death and plead him to delay his death. The angel agreed to Idris' plea and decided to meet with the angel of death together with Idris. The angel flew to the fourth heaven with Prophet Idris and his wings and met with the angel of death. Idris, dear companion, said to the angel of death, Prophet Idris wants to know if you could prolong his life. The angel of death was stunned. He replied, and where is Idris? He is upon my back, answered the angel. The angel of death replied, how astonished! I was sent and told to seize his Idris' soul in the fourth heaven. I kept thinking how I could seize it in the fourth heaven when he was on earth. Subhanallah, glory to be the God. He made it happen. And as the Lord instructed the angel of death, the soul of Idris was taken in the fourth heaven. Following the death of Prophet Idris, corruption began to increase rapidly. Against several generations later with no prophetic guidance. Shaitan finally managed to influence the children of Adam to commit their first act and shirk. saying, there are some quotes and saying which are attributed to Prophet Idris, and here they are. Happy is he who looks at his own deeds and points them as pleaders to his Lord. None can show better graduate to far God favors than he who shares them with others. Do not envy people for what they have, as they will only enjoy it for a short while. He who includes the excess will not benefit from it. The real joy of life is to have wisdom. So, friends, this was a Prophet Idris. His name in Bible is Enoch. Allah Hafiz.